I'm very happy to introduce Mr. Nimish Chandra. He has secured All India rank 3 in GATE 2025 in Mechanical Engineering paper. Mr. Nimish Chandra, hearty congratulations.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Mr. Nimish Chandra has availed from ACE Academy the online test series for his GATE preparation, and also he availed the postal package for the ESC mains exam. Mr. Nimish Chandra, so
Yes, sir.
here you got All India rank number 3.
Yes, sir.
I hope you might have given the GATE exam earlier also.
Yes, sir.
If
I
you
have given GATE exam in 2020 and is secured All India rank 167 as well.
okay, earlier you got 167. Now you
Rank.
got third rank.
Yes, sir.
What is the need for writing the GATE exam once again here?
Sir, actually, I am preparing for civil service as a mechanical optional. So, to brush up my technical skill, I thought to take up this exam and then wrote this exam.
Okay, it's very wonderful, Mr. Nimesh Chandra.
Yes,
See, in this GATE exam, we have special focus to be made on the mathematics and aptitude, right? You are assured of
yes, sir.
around 28 to 30 marks in these two
Yes, sir.
subjects itself.
Yes, sir.
Do you study the same for your SILS preparation also? Such in depth?
Yes, sir. I have studied in depth and I like doing aptitude and math very much. So that
So
is my
that helped
positive
you in
area,
this,
strength area.
that helped you in this GATE preparation also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So very nice. Mr. Nimesh Chandra, may I know your educational background, where you are from also?
Sir, I passed out from Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, Sipur, IIST Sipur, West Bengal in 2018. And I am from Madhubani, Bihar.
So that's a very good college, right? IIST Shivpur.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Presently, how are you occupied? Are you involved in any job,
Uh,
or just you are preparing for this SIMS
no,
exam?
sir. I cracked Engineering Survey 2020 with All India rank 14 and presently working in Central Power Engineering Service through that engineering services. So since then I'm working in engineering service.
So you presently are in a CPS, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, very good, Nimesh Chandra. So you are the person who has seen the GATE paper successfully, engineering service paper successfully, and I wish that you are going to be successful in the coming civil services
Yes, sir.
examination
Yes,
also, right?
yes, sir.
Wish you all good luck in that exam.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Nimesh Chandra, see, in your mechanical engineering, there are so many subjects in the GATE syllabus, isn't it? Right? You tell
Yes, sir.
me, which subjects fetched you more marks in general and this year particularly?
Sir, strength of material is my favorite and thermodynamics as well is my favorite and I got full marks in these subject as well.
That is two subjects, right?
Yes, yes.
What about the rest of the subjects? You have so many, right? You have theory of machines, you have designs
Theory
and
of machines.
mechanics, and you have IM motor.
I have bit difficulty in production because that is very vast and if someone have command in production then that will I lost 2 marks in production also. So I suggest to the all the student that do previous year paper and practice a lot of question from production as well so that you will have a lot of idea how to tackle a different question in GATE exam.
Right. See, if you talk about the GATE examination, there are two, 3 points there. One is revision, other one is practicing the what you call numerical questions
Yes, sir.
for accuracy and time management, isn't it? So, in your case, did you make any specific practice of these numericals? How you used to carry out the revision work also?
Sir, for GATE preparation, you need to solve a lot of question because you have to minimize silly mistake. Silly mistake is the biggest nightmare in GATE examination, and if you work more on practicing previous year question and giving much of test series, so slowly your silly mistake will come down, and you can get a good marks in examination. So
Okay.
practicing a lot is must, and at the same time, I have also made my short notes type for each subject, which will help in last minute preparation as well.
especially for revision work, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And what, in your opinion, what is the role of this online test series that you have availed from from our ACE Academy also?
Yes,
What
sir.
is the role in this GATE examination in particular?
Sir, ACE Academy test series is properly planned with the demand of GATE examination, and it is very much useful if someone focused properly and solve all the test series. That will be very much useful for GATE examination.
Okay. And one more thing, right? If you want to carry out such a long preparation, see, for example, in our case, initially GATE and then engineering service, now again you're focusing on civil services also. So normally when you want to make such a lengthy journey of what you call preparation and attempting exams, etc., one need to have a lot of motivation, right? Some
Yes, sir.
engagement without getting tense, isn't it? So how you
Yes,
derive
sir.
all this motivation, encouragement and all?
My family member always push me to work hard. My family member, father, mother, my elder brother, and now my wife is also continuously supporting me in preparation, always pushing me. Always they are always my supporter, motivator, and they give me positive energy to work hard and hard. And they are the reason that I cracked these examinations.
You'll be very thankful to all your family members who are part of your successful journey. Right. It's very good, Mr. Nimesh Chandra. See, from your what you call experience, can you give some tips and suggestions to the GATE aspirants in general and mechanical students in particular?
Sir, first of all, for GATE examination, you need to work hard, a lot hard, and practice a lot that you can. So practice and with short notes, you need to make a lot of short notes in each subject so that you can practice in last minute, revise in last minute, and give as much as you can the test series. Test series is very much useful for revision purpose, and also you know that where you are lagging, where you are making silly mistake, like in units as well. In mechanical, lot of question come in. Sometime it is asked in seconds, sometimes it is asked in minutes, and many students lost marks by marking in either different dimension, different units. So you need to focus on those silly mistakes by practicing as much as test you can.
Last question, Nimesh Chandra. So for your all India rank number 3, how many marks you got in the mechanical paper?
How many marks? Mm,
Don't remember? At least a
I
score?
don't remember, but I solved 63 questions, out of which 60 are correct and 3 wrong. And in that 3 wrong, one is from English and one from mathematics and one from production.
Right. Okay. Right, Nimesh Chandra. I take this opportunity once again, congratulate you, right? And
Thank you,
also
sir.
thank you for sharing your valuable tips with the GATE aspirants. And I
Thank
wish
you,
you all
sir.
good luck in all your future endeavors. God
Yes,
bless
sir.
you, Nimesh
Thank
Chandra.
you very much. Thank you, sir.